As you can see, it wasn't focusing pretty good. Now, if it was a bigger bird, it would be fine. So I'm getting a whole bunch of birds using the Sony A7CR 60 megapixel. Now I am going to use the Leica Q3 also, and then I'll have the take a look at the different pictures. Hopefully you can see the bird in focus. So with the Sony A7CR, I got the small rig thing on here, cage. I'm thinking of getting the small rig, just the base plate, so the thumb or my pinky can just stay on the handle, and that's all I need. I've been using the one that came with this, and I don't like it. It's too awkward. Then you have to open two latches. So I like the cage. So I think I got enough pictures with ACR. I'm going to get my Leica. And then what I'll do is I'll put it on 50 millimeter. Because I can do like, I also did a video of it 28, 35, 50, 75, and 90. So this time I'll put it on 50. I've been using the 50 1.8 lens on the Sony. So I got a whole bunch of nice shots with that. I'm getting out my Q3 now, which is a 28 millimeter. I'm going to go into the bedroom. I need to wash the window. Turn it on and swipe. Okay. It's at 28. Now it's at 50. I'm just waiting for the bird to come. Saw me through the blinds and then took off. It's at 50 millimeters right now. And it's at 2.2. Why is that? There it is. I'm taking 4 shots. Yeah, I got it on 90 millimeters. Outstanding. Got a whole bunch of shots. I'm hoping the video captures them, and I'll see it in a moment. That's why I got up early, folks, because around 10 o'clock they disappear. And a little baby sparrow. Mm. That's not clear. All right, that's bad news. So, out of there, I'll leave it at 28 millimeters. Okay. I took a couple of pictures. Let me look at okay, from the window. Yeah, they're pretty clear. That's a nice shot. Yeah, birds landing. Oh, that's a beautiful shot. Ah, didn't get it. Took off. But I got it in the air. Yeah. That's a pretty good shot with the Q3. Okay, this video is about the Canon RF200 800. I cut out the first part because I had it at 800 and no birds were falling. So I moved it back. You didn't see me move the trash can and recycle bin as a background because then you would have seen the road. So that helped the focusing a little bit, but you've noticed that when the smaller birds landed, and if it wasn't in the center, and I had it on wide, all right, but it wasn't picking up the birds. And I had the bar right there on top of the bird bath. When you zoom in to the 800 millimeters, then you just see the top. Well, I tried, birds would land and it wasn't focusing. So I moved it back a little bit to about, 600, 400. I was closer now. It might have been like 500. But the bigger birds, ones with the kind of like the bluish in the back with all the white spots on their breast, they came up perfect. You'll see a red and a green bird. I don't know if they're parakeets or whatever, but so I did get some good color on it. And then of course the regular sparrows, but it was the sparrows that it was, and I had the bird bath just a bit to the right. Okay, I didn't have it centered. That might have been the problem too. But with the bigger birds, the autofocus went pretty good. On the smaller birds, you see a blur. So I just showed you the best parts of it. I recorded it for about 47 minutes and it had 3 bars of overheating and it was 77 degrees outside. But I was recording in 4K 30 though. No, 4K 24. Take that back. 4K 30 on the Canon R5II. I use 3 cameras. I use the Sony A7CR, the Leica Q3, and the CR did a better job with the 50mm f1.8 than the Leica Q3 at 50, 75, 90. Q3 was good inside the house through the bedroom window, and but when I moved to the garage, it kept focusing on the left part of the house, you know, where the garage door comes down, and that's why the birds were out of focus. The intelligent autofocus setting for the Q3 is not intelligent at all. Usually I just leave it on AFS for photographs, and then on the video part, I sometimes leave it on IAF, but AFC, okay? So I hope you enjoyed the video. I moved it. I like the position a lot better. And I'm going to do some things with the autofocusing to fix that situation because it just wasn't focusing. So I'm going to study up on it a little bit. I had the clarity on 5. That might be the case, is where if you have clarity too much, the camera's waiting for it to get a good picture. So, you know, it just depends on the settings. You just have to tweak it a little bit. But going to do that. Thank you for watching. Remember, stay safe, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, folks. Have a wonderful day.